We discussed that a pH meter is available, but it's expensive, it needs power, and it has to be calibrated. These meters are really good in a lab, but not so much for kids. Lucky for us, there's an easier way to measure pH, usually what is called an indicator. There are certain compounds that change colors when placed in liquids of differing pH. They can indicate the pH. The first one of these is litmus paper. Litmus is a water-soluble mixture of different dyes that are extracted from lichens. It is often absorbed onto filter paper to produce one of the oldest forms of pH indicator. The main use of litmus paper is to test whether a solution is acidic or basic. Blue litmus paper turns red under acidic conditions, and red litmus paper turns blue under basic or alkaline conditions, with a color change occurring over the pH range of 4.5 to about 8.3. So this option isn't very good about giving us a pH number. There are many different chemicals that can change color when placed in acids and bases. Most react a lot like litmus paper, where they're just two colors. There are a few compounds that make 3 to 4 color changes. The chemical anthocyanin, which is the purple-blue color in blueberries, purple cabbage, turnips, red onions, and red plums, makes several color changes. If you mix several chemicals together, you can form what's called a universal indicator. That has a color change for each pH number. This chemical is placed on filter paper and sold as universal pH indicator strips. You'll learn how to use these strips in the lab directions. The universal indicator strips included in the STEM kit use the chemicals and show the colors shown in the table on your cards. When you mix these colors together, you get a distinct color for each number of the pH scale. Safety for indicator strips. Do not place the strips in your mouth. As we mentioned above, they have a lot of chemicals on them and they're not meant to be edible. If you want to test the pH of your saliva, you can spit into a cup and then dip the strip in to test. Also, the strips absorb liquid pretty quickly, so you need to wear gloves when testing all liquids so you don't come in contact with the liquids when you are testing.